It wasn't me, I promise!
Look at your face all over you! You ate it!
This is just strawberry jam. I didn't touch your watermelon.
Nobody touches this cake. I'm serious. Where's my cake?
No, not us!
Huh? I have no idea what you're talking about. No cake here.
I've had enough of this liar. Oh, you want something sweet? I'll give you sweet. Don't touch this juice while I'm out, okay? Did you just drink that?
I didn't touch your juice. It's just evaporated. I didn't do it.